In this video, I'll show you how to open the Google Play Store on your Sony Smart TV in 2025. Step 1. Turn on your Sony Smart TV. Press the power button on your remote to turn on your TV. Step 2. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your remote to open the main menu. Step 3. Find the Google Play Store app. On the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. Look for the Google Play Store icon. If you don't see it immediately, go to All Apps or App Store and search for it. Step 4. Open the Google Play Store. Click the Google Play Store icon to launch it. You can now browse, search, and install apps directly on your TV. Step 5. Sign in if needed. If prompted, sign in with your Google account to access all features. You only need to do this once. Bonus tip: if your Sony Smart TV doesn't show the Google Play Store app, make sure your TV is connected to the internet and has the latest software update installed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Sony Smart TV tutorials.